The Navy Federal Digital Investor Full Guide is a comprehensive tool designed to help members manage their investments effectively. To get started, members need to log in to their Navy Federal account and navigate to the investment section. From there, they can access the Digital Investor Platform, which provides a user-friendly interface to view and manage their investment portfolio. The first step is to set financial goals, such as saving for retirement or a down payment on a house. Members can use the Digital Investor's goal-setting tool to determine how much they need to invest each month to reach their objectives. The platform also provides a risk assessment questionnaire to help members determine their risk tolerance and investment style. Once the goals and risk tolerance are established, members can choose from a variety of investment options, including stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. The Digital Investor Platform provides detailed information about each investment, including historical performance, fees, and ratings. Members can also use the platform's investment simulator to test different investment scenarios and see how they would perform in various market conditions. To make investing easier, the Digital Investor Platform offers automatic investment plans, which allow members to set up regular transfers from their checking or savings account to their investment account. This way, members can invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the market's performance. Another key feature of the Digital Investor Platform is its portfolio management tools. Members can use these tools to monitor and adjust their investment portfolio as needed. The platform also provides alerts and notifications to keep members informed about market changes and investment opportunities. Best practices for using the Navy Federal Digital Investor include starting early, being consistent, and diversifying investments. It is also essential to regularly review and adjust the investment portfolio to ensure it remains aligned with financial goals and risk tolerance. By following these best practices and using the Digital Investor Platform, Navy Federal members can make informed investment decisions and work towards achieving their long-term financial goals. Overall, the Navy Federal Digital Investor is a powerful tool that can help members take control of their investments and achieve financial success. By providing a user-friendly interface, investment options, and portfolio management tools, the Digital Investor Platform makes it easy for members to invest and manage their money effectively.